Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make a mask that will protect you close to 100%. Face masks have become an almost essential item. In some countries like Germany, there are regions where they are mandatory at the moment. In Oriental cultures, they have always been used as a polite way to protect others against bacteria and germs. I try to create a mask that fits comfortably, as we need to get used to wear them every day. Fabric face masks are also reusable and environmentally friendly. There is a lot of talk about the best material to use, being 100% cotton fabrics the most adequate. In my patterns, I have added an opening in the inner side to insert a filter for a better protection. Heather Pavliou from Sway Shop has tested different materials for particle filtration in the lab in order to find the best one. They found that using standard blue shop towels, the fabric masks that normally have a protection index of 20% to 60% can reach a 93% protection. By adding a nose clip, we ensure to reach the optimal results. It is important to avoid filters or fabrics with glass fiber, as this is a health-damaging agent. Please see the link in the description for downloadable patterns. I have upgraded them to 4 sizes, being the extra small the most adequate for children. I will make my mask in medium size, and let's start. I start by cutting one piece for the outer fabric. This piece is cut on the fold. Now I will cut 2 pieces for the lining fabric. I have put some notches on the sides to indicate the position for the elastic bands. I will cut 2 pieces of elastic band, one to be 19 cm length and the other of 34 cm. I can now begin with the sewing. I first make a zigzag edge at the lining openings. I fold the opening tab and I stitch it at about 0.5 centimeters. Following this, I will close out the darts with a 0.5 cm seam allowance in both pieces, the main fabric and the lining. I face both pieces right sides together. I make sure the darts are perfectly matched and I hold it with pins. At the same time, I will insert the elastic bands. The longest one goes at the top of the mask, and the short one is for the neck area. I use the notches for guidance. Now I close it all the way around with a 1 cm seam. I cut clean all the spare threads. I will also cut the seam excess around the corners to avoid chunkiness. I turn the mask inside out through the lining opening. Before I iron it, I'm making a basting stitch to flatten the edges properly. To finish the mask, I make an edge top stitch all the way around. I iron it again for a final touch, and my mask is finished. Please see the links below for supporting information. I hope that this tutorial helps you to make masks and protect yourself and your family. I will see you all soon with more ideas and projects. Please share and subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you find this useful.